While rocket fire from the Gaza Strip continues to pound southern Israel, some residents have been packing up and leaving out of fear. The southern Israeli city of Ashkelon, where beaches are normally filled with vacationers, was all but deserted as the town braced for another day. Business owners complained that the ongoing violence has been damaging to the local economy.
The business is not business, not work few days. You see all the station, all the taxi stand. Yesterday morning, it's about 8:30, after this building is one boom, very, very strong. And after many booms here, the people not work.
Many Israelis have been evacuating their homes in the south to stay with relatives or friends further north. Beersheba's nearly 200,000 residents live just 25 miles from Gaza. 4 years ago, they were hit with some 40 rockets in a 3-week war between Israel and Hamas militants. On Saturday alone, they were targeted by nearly just as many. Thanks to Israel's Iron Dome missile defense system, which knocked down about half of the projectiles, and to residents who followed instructions to stay in shelters at home, no one was harmed.